guys, Just Ride 7. I got it set up in my truck now. That's how easy it was. What I did was it comes with a suction mount and power source, and I ran the wire up through my. Try to hit it. I'm gonna hide it a little bit better once I get home, but I'm gonna run a test right now. And all you do is you just plug it into your power source. Then it's really easy once you turn your ignition on. It starts recording. You can see right there. I guess it continues like 136. So I'm gonna play with this thing a little bit, but it's a new toy. I got it for about 20 bucks online. The most expensive part about this deal is getting the mini SD card, which costs more than the camera. Okay guys, aloha.